The Sondery guitar wall mount hanger uses a sturdy wooden base and metal yoke that feel reassuringly solid once anchored into brick, drywall, or wood studs. Its swiveling yoke and wide spacing handle a range of headstock shapes, from acoustic and electric guitars to basses, ukuleles, banjos, and mandolins, without awkward tilting. An automatic locking mechanism closes gently around the neck as soon as you set the instrument in, adding a layer of security that makes accidental bumps far less worrying. The contact surfaces are covered in a dense, instrument-friendly foam that is designed to be safe for delicate finishes, including higher-end nitrocellulose-coated guitars. Installation is straightforward thanks to the push-and-turn style mounting design, so even a cautious do-it-yourself user can get it on the wall quickly and square. Once installed, the hanger keeps your instrument visible and within easy reach, which in daily use genuinely encourages more frequent playing and practice.